So a little tour of the boat. So going inside, that's where we charge all our gadgets. There's the bar, hey, and there's where they serve all their lovely food. That's where we have our briefings. And there's the 1200 islands of the Maldives. Bit of merch. Down to the cabin. So I'm sharing with Stefan. I don't know whether he's in here or what. Stefan? Yeah. And then we have it. Just come in here. Good space for whale sharks and mantas. Tide's dropping off. Guys have been out in the boats spotting, but there doesn't seem to be any sign, so we're moving off to somewhere else. But this is typical resort island with all the bungalows. Which is starting to look nice now the sun's come out. We've had 2 days of rain and overcast. Had a storm coming, which kind of curtailed some of our plans. We wanted to go to Bar Atoll,